Tasteful Selections is the largest grower, shipper, packer of baby potatoes in North America. We grow approximately 20,000 acres of baby potatoes this year.
As we walk through the facility, you can see that we're adding a lot of automation, and we're doing that so we can flatten our curve so we can keep our costs down to service our customers. This is one of the first lines we fully commissioned here at Tasteful Selection. We have our case packing robot here at the first cell. We have a case sealing robot that will seal the pallets for us, and then we come over here to our Palletizer.
Before we had the robotics, everything was done by hand. So for food safety, that's a little bit of a concern because there's a lot of hand touching the product. So since we put in the robotics with the soft gripper, it doesn't eliminate a person, it just moves them to a different role, but it allows less human contact. So our philosophy here in regards to food safety is we want to make sure that the potatoes that people are consuming are the safest that they can be from farm to fork.
Having the robotic solutions at the facility have helped in major ways. It's helped with maintaining a more safer environment because it's freed people up who would have been packing, who would have been stacking to make sure that the workplace is staying clear, clean, and dry. It's also helped with maintaining efficiency and even building on that efficiency to get a better pack out each and every day.
We have a high standard when it comes to treating our potatoes right. Every bump on the way counts. We minimize it to almost no bumps at all.
Well, with the soft robotics gripper, it's a pneumatic actuated tool, and you can control the air pressure, so you can control the force that you put on your potatoes, your products, with that gripper. So more air pressure, tighter grip, less air pressure, looser grip. And it gently sets the product in the box. Our palletizers really help with the safety of our employees. The pallets can be up to 92 inches tall. And that's, with employees lifting up to 50 pounds over their head, it could cause injuries, strains, and we've been able to reduce that activity in our employees in this facility.
It has been a huge success for us. They were turnkey, out of the box, minimal programming that we needed to do on our end, and super successful on creating consistencies throughout our plant.
For our palletizing robots, we use a Schneider Packaging. We chose Schneider because they have an OptiStack system or software that they use to create the recipes or the layers, which is very user-friendly. Our staff likes the way it works. It takes a few minutes to make a change, a few hours to create a new recipe. So that's how we started.
As we've rolled out automation in our facility, it has been a real blessing to our employees to bring consistency in the lines. It's also bringing consistency to our cost, which has been really great, so we can flatten our cost year over year.
But when we actually brought the first robots in, we had a fear that our employees might take that as a negative. And since then, we've seen it actually as a positive, because that's not necessarily the job that they were looking to do anyway. We aren't replacing the high-value jobs. We're bringing people from repetitive motion jobs and moving them to bagger operators, forklift operators, things that ultimately as an employee you'd rather be doing.